In New York, political and government figures sounding off today about the Trump administration indictment against State Attorney Tish James. Now, Ms. James also sounding off today. They called it retribution against Tish for indicting Trump a few years ago. The charge involves a bank loan that, over the course of the loan, would save her nearly $19,000. The federal attorney who brought charges against James was Trump's lawyer when James brought fraud charges against Trump. Lindsay Tuchman, live at a rally for James in Foley Square tonight. Lindsay?
Bill, Letitia James is expected to make an initial court appearance in Virginia on October 24th. In the meantime, though, reactions to the indictment are coming in. Like you said, we are at this protest right now here in Foley Square in Lower Manhattan by the New York Working Families Party. It's underway right now. You can see signs saying "Hands off Tish," and you may not be able to see from this vantage point, but right now, Democratic nominee for mayor, Assemblyman Zohran Mamdani, is speaking to the crowd. We also heard from City Controller Brad Lander, the Brooklyn Borough President as well, and other community organizers. They came together to say these charges are politically motivated. Following a pressure campaign by President Trump, the Attorney General of New York, Letitia James, is now officially charged in a mortgage fraud investigation.
These charges are baseless, and the president's own public statements make clear that his only goal is political retribution at any cost.
The 66-year-old AG is facing 2 counts, including bank fraud and making false statements to a financial institution in connection to a home purchase in Norfolk, Virginia in 2020. Federal prosecutors allege James claimed the property as a second residence to secure favorable loan terms, but then rented it out, saving her around $19,000. Local Democratic leaders quick to respond.
Fear not, Tish. Donald Trump wants you. But we have you. Your front, your back, both of your sides. We have you.
For Donald Trump, the purpose of government is not public service. The purpose is personal revenge.
This indictment coming just weeks after the former U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia was ousted for not bringing charges, replaced by the president's former personal attorney, Lindsay Halligan. Letitia James, a Democrat, won a major real estate fraud case against Trump and his company last year. Here's former Manhattan ADA Michael Bachner.
So the first defense will be selective prosecution. The catalyst was the fact that Donald Trump is being vindictive. In order to be convicted of bank fraud, you have to have an intent to defraud.
As for Mayor Adams, who faced his own federal charges that have since been dropped, well, he declined to say much.
Let the process play out.
Back here at the rally, organizers and speakers are saying that they want Letitia James to be able to continue doing her job. And indeed, as long as this case remains pending, Ms. James, who did handily win re-election in 2022, will be able to stay in office. However, if she were to be convicted, she would lose her license to practice law and would therefore have to vacate the office. As for the case moving forward, Virginia is known for having the so-called rocket docket, so experts do say that this case could move forward in approximately 6 months. Live in Lower Manhattan, Lindsay Tuchman, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.